murderer.
Oh man.
I'm gonna jump out this moving RV if you don't stop talking. Flew into my windshield. I didn't hit it. It flew into me. I was minding my own business, driving literally straight. I didn't know what to do. Do you want me to swerve? You would have freaked out even more.
I think it was definitely a mom.
Ronda on the road.
Okay, cool.
I'm making everyone breakfast. Rousey ate his eggs.
I think we're about 2 days from the puppy. How are you feeling?
Excited. Excited to get that puppy and go home and see my husband. Miss Trav a lot already. Julia, breakfast.
Ready. Get it.
Parkour. Is this mine? Yeah. I'm being shamed for how I eat. I literally don't like
If you don't like the egg whites, don't eat it.
I don't like the white.
I don't like the whites.
Julia, stop.
Nothing happened.
Nothing happened.
No. I don't think they're even gonna notice. Don't tell them. I did in the back of the RV basically, and now I'm doing this. Ha! Made it out. Let's go do this thing. I'm an old pro. That end goes on that end, right?
Yep.
Why did I agree to come here? It was already off, I think.
Then it wasn't on tight enough.
Ow! Go on! Oh my god. I'm just gonna walk away for a second. I know, I'm fine. Well, I'm less traumatized this time.
Did you hear that big clumpy chunk come out?
Stop.
It's
You're
what-
trying to get me to throw up. And it might work. This one's less bad, it's just the shower water. I did pee in the shower last night, so there is pee in there.
You weren't pooping in the shower, were you?
Ew! God, that got my shit.
You smell that?
Don't provoke me. It's so good. I don't want to touch that. Oh my god, stop leaking! Ew! It's on as tight as I think it can be.
Alright, well.
What is that?
Let me see your
That better not be what. What is that? Oh my god, oh my god, oh my god, oh my god. Now I'm going home!
Come on.
We just came from the Wild Crumb in Bozeman. Coffee's okay. Apparently it's not a coffee shop, it's a pastry shop.
Yeah.
Look at these pastries. Oh my god.
Is it good?
It's probably the best fruit tart I've ever had. Their fresh squeezed grapefruit juice is amazing. Amazing place. I wouldn't go there for the coffee. 5 out of 10 coffee. The coffee does go great with the sweetness of everything else though. So it's a complimentary coffee, not a solo coffee. Sweet, gentle Kyle wanted some coffee, so he went and got me an iced mocha from Treeline on the other side of the block. Like the cocoa and the coffee is really high quality, it's really good. I'd say this is the best coffee we've got on the trip so far. 9.5, I'd make it a tiny bit sweeter, but I'm not eating it with anything. If you're on this block in Bozeman, I would recommend hitting both places. Wild Crumb and Treeline, back to back. You want us to just drive while you're back there?
Old brew hit me. I can't talk. I'm sweating. It won't come out.
I thought you said you had diarrhea.
It's like both. I can't talk. I have to focus.
Yeah.
Wait, I want to lay down. And then like my blood would go through all the sides.
Oh, very Aztec.
And then unite.
Yeah.
And then be like, and then I'd unlock the underworld.
I'm sure it looks great. Well, it's closed. So Well, we could take the little walk in the woods back.
Where the snakes are?
Yeah. Beware of snakes.
Huh?
I said beware
Sneakies.
of snakes.
You just gotta hiss back.
Joy, snake!
What? Stop it! I'm outrunning them!
Nothing makes your shoulders feel better than like just throwing a few.
Force of nature in nature. Where did you go? Why'd you run off?
I was just taking pictures of canoes.
It wasn't because you thought there were snakes?
No, that wasn't part of it at all.
Murderer!
You murderer!
Fucking bunch of birds flew in front of me, and one of them flew into my windshield. I didn't hit it. It flew into me. I was minding my own business, driving literally straight.
I'm sure you're going faster than it, so I think from the bird's point of view, you would hit it.
I want to cry.
That bird's dead. This bird is dead because of you. Butterfly effect from that small.
If you're trying to hurt my feelings, it's working, okay?
Man, that thing like survived the winter, and then like finally it was like up in the prairie at the height of summer, like the end of its migrating route.
I'm gonna jump out this moving RV if you don't stop talking.
Like, oh my god, look at all the bugs and the grasshoppers, and pow! Right in the kisser.
I didn't know what to do. Do you want me to swerve? You would have freaked out even more. If I just went, fucking, they literally all came out of nowhere at once.
I think it was definitely a mom.
I didn't orphan any birds, okay? How do I turn the windshield wiper on?
Don't erase the evidence!
I don't want this on the internet!
No, look, this is a bird you didn't kill. Look at that. So
Okay.
this.